Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to learning the basics of circles. We are at the third property now. So here we will be learning about the relationship between the angles at center and the angle at circumference. So center means the very middle point of the circle and the circumference is the outer line. Okay, this is called circumference. So angle at center means the angle that you have at the center, and the angle at circumference is the angle you have on the circumference. So the relationship between them is that angle at the center is bigger than the angle at the circumference with the same arc or the same sector or whatever you say, but it should be twice as that, not just bigger but twice. So it's double of the angle at circumference. So what happens here is that, see, for this x, so it comes from A and B this side, this x, and this A and B also goes here for the circumference. So if the base arcs are the same, then the relationship will be the angle at the center will be twice as the angle at the circumference. Same for the second one, is just a bit different style. We also have it here this way, the angle is here, and then we also have this angle. Okay, it just remember to go in the same direction. If it's not the same direction, then it shouldn't be correct. So angle at the center is the choicest angle at the circumference. Even the last one, it just goes here and also here. This is the most common one, this one and this one. They look very much similar, only this one most people get it wrong because they will like, if this is here then this other angle is here, but no, it should go in the same direction. If it's going up, then both are up side. So let's get some examples done and then you will know what's being done. So the first example, you are given this as 40 and then you have to find the angle at the center. So this 40, if you see this angle 40, it came from A and C, and then A and C also goes to the center. So we can use this property, angle at the center is the twice at angle at the circumference, which is 80. That's why your answer is 80. And remember to write the property, angle at center twice angle at circumference. How about for the practice? We have to find y, right? And we have AOC given. AOC came from this side, so this side also goes to the y. So that means their arc are same. So angle at the center is the twice of angle of the circumference. So it will be 1/2 of 196. And can you click that? You should be able to get 98. And the reason is angle at center twice angle at circumference. Because my spelling is very bad, that's why I'm not writing it. Just write half of the P because this one is half of it, this one is double of it, like that. And then let's do some of the questions and then we can move to next property basically. So here we are given 150 and that 150 angle is here, right? And it came from this AB. This AB also goes here. So the first thing you will be able to find is not A, actually it's this angle. So angle ACB is the half of angle AOB, and the reason is angle at center twice angle at circumference. So you should be able to get ACB as 75. 150 divided by 2, 75. If this is 75, can you find A now? Yes, because it's a straight line, and the straight line, the angle is 180. So 180 minus 75, you should be able to get A, which is, please use calculator, you should be able to get it as 105. 105 as A. And that's all for this one. And then the second question, you have to find B, but we are given this 15 first, right? Let's see what we can find with that. 15 came from A and B, see, and this A and B also go to the center, so this way. So we should be able to get this angle first. Angle AOB will be double of that one, because angle at center is twice at angle at circumference. So you should be able to get that as 30. How about B? B, you see it again. It is the straight line, right? If that is a straight line, then the angle is 180. So B is 180 minus 30. And the reason is adjacent angles on a straight line. We should be able to get 150. So that's all for this property, and then we will move to the next part very soon.